Hey guys, this is the unboxing and assembly of the Hiboy C1 electric bike. I wanted to show you how easy it is and how it comes packaged. Now you can see here, it comes nice and built already. When you take it out, all you're gonna do is remove all the padding. This is all the protective foam that they use, so it comes in nice condition. Now once you've done all that, the bike is gonna simply pull out, and that's where you're gonna see that it's already about 95% built. Now that box there is where you're gonna find the seat and a couple other components I'm gonna show you in just a few seconds. Now it is about 50 pounds, the bike, so you gotta really put some muscle, but once it comes out, you can see how complete it comes. Now removing all this padding is fairly easy. You may need some scissors to cut some of the straps. Once the padding comes out, you're gonna notice the handlebar is flipped down. Once you remove all the padding, you flip the handlebar up, and then that assembly to secure it is easy. You're simply gonna put these two wires together here, stuff them into the neck, slide the handlebar in, and you're gonna see little holes on the side. Now this is what was in that box. That's all you need to assemble. It's just these parts here. They do provide this Allen wrench. You're gonna use 6 screws, 2 on each side, screw them in. Now the next thing you're gonna do is put the kickstand. Once again, very simple. Line up the screws with the holes. Then you're gonna use the same Allen wrench, get it nice and tight. Next are the pedals. They're labeled L for left. Match it up with the left side here. Then they simply just screw in. You can also tighten them a little more with a wrench. Repeat the same thing on the right side. Once again, screws right in. And next is the seat. Simply slide it in, very simple, adjust it to the height you want, and then you're gonna use this quick release latch here, get it nice and tight. Now you're just gonna flip and plug in the charger, plug it in into any household outlet. There you go, ready to go. Within a few hours, it's charged, and you're on your way with your brand new electric bike.